welcome to our first ever live trading breakdown. I'm going to go over my top Forex pairs, my top crypto pairs, and we're going to go over gold. I'm going to give you my bias on what I think is going to happen. If you guys are new to my channel, I would appreciate if you guys could like this video. As well, if you have not subscribed, why not subscribe to my channel and turn those notifications on? And one more thing, guys, if you want to be mentored by me, I am opening up my one-on-one mentorship. All you have to do is simply follow me on Instagram, and then you guys can send me a DM saying you need help, and then I'll help you to the best of my ability. Now, without further ado, let's get into my computer. Alright guys, I'm going to go over, like I said, my Forex pairs, crypto pairs, and gold. Really what I'm going to be doing when I'm doing this analysis so it benefits as many people as possible is using the daily time frame. 4 hours ago, or actually 3 hours ago, we had our daily candle close. I am looking at the daily chart as I mentioned, and every day at 2 p.m. PST is when a daily candle is closing. So looking at the market right now, we can see our previous candle that closed is a hammerhead candle. We are rejecting our 20 EMA. This yellow line right here is our 20 EMA. I don't know why it's popping up. It's not popping up. We can see right here 20 EMA is being rejected. This is a really good tell sign that we could see a push up. Potentially, if I was to go into this trade, I would probably go long at current market price. I would have my take profit at our previous high right here, and obviously our stops will be below this previous candle. That is how I would set up this trade right here. Since our stop loss is a little bit bigger, I think I'd drag this take profit up to this previous high right here. So that's a potential setup we could see on GJ. Let's lock this and we can see what happens. Next one is USD/JPY. We are in a clear downtrend. It looks like we have a lower high right here. We do have a doji as our previous daily candle. At this point, I'm a little unsure. I'm going to pass on this trade. I don't see anything as of right now. Now, USD CAD is looking actually pretty solid. We do have a shooting star candle, but the thing that I see right here is we have a really long wick to the upside, but we are rejecting our 20 EMA once again. I honestly don't think that it's going to go down. A lot of traders are probably betting that it's going to go down, but I think that we could see a push up. So potentially this is what we could see happening. We could see a push up. I'd have my stops really tight if I were to take this trade right here, 46 pips. And once again, I would just aim for the previous highs. 152 pips, and I actually used to use this strategy that I'm showing you guys all the time when I would trade Forex pairs. I would just go on the daily time frame, scroll through all the Forex pairs and see if I can see any good setups. So potentially we could see a nice push up. We already are forming these higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows. So it looks like this is a higher low or a higher high. This can be a higher low, and we could see a new higher high probably hit this zone right here. Potentially, that's what we could see happen on USD CAD. That's the setup that I would take. Let's lock this. GBP USD, absolutely gorgeous. These are the markets that I like to see, is when the market is just in one clear trend. It's just going higher and higher. Once again, the trend is our friend. I would just keep going with the momentum of the uptrend. Literally, I would just execute at market execution for a long. I would have my stops right below the previous candle, right around there. TP, I would aim for previous highs, so I would probably go for like right here at this previous high. That's the setup that I would be looking for on GBP, or yeah, GBP USD right there. Scroll this in, bring it over. Boom, there's a setup right there on GBP USD. And guys, this is not financial advice at all. I'm just giving you my bias, what I see in the markets. Take it for what it is. Euro USD, same thing, doing the same thing as GBP USD. Look at the market on Euro USD to GBP USD. Literally the same thing. Continuation, keeps pushing up. We can see bullish candles. We are really starting to push up. It would have been a prime entry to enter after this candle close right here, Beautiful higher low, then just kept pushing higher, breaking previous highs right here. Beautiful, beautiful on Euro USD. Okay, now let's look at our crypto pairs. We need to understand that the crypto markets, we are in this crypto winter, whatever you want to call it, and the markets aren't doing too well. Really, I like to follow the more technical side of the markets. I'm not really too big into fundamentals, but looking at the technicals, guys, we had our high hit right here in November of 2021. So about a year and a month ago, we hit this high of around almost $70,000 right here. And then we just started to dump down. We need to understand though that the market, they do have these cycles. If we look at the weekly chart on Bitcoin, we are still up. And this is not going to be extremely accurate, but we are still up 23,000% on Bitcoin. Obviously, a lot of us didn't get into these numbers, but the way that I think of it is I want to be dollar cost averaging, and let's write that down for you guys to see. I want to dollar cost average my positions, meaning that I want to be entering, and the way that I invest into crypto is I simply have the app Uphold and I'm buying crypto. That's all I'm doing. I'm not trading it on Binance or anything like that. I'm simply just investing into it on a wallet and then I put it on a ledger. So dollar cost averaging is when we're buying at all these different price points. And on the app Uphold, there's a tab. If you guys go to Uphold and download it, and then you go to the tab Transact, there's a button that says Repeat, where you can have it invest a certain amount of money every single day, every week, every 2 weeks, whatever you want. You can customize it, but I have it to where every week it invests $100 into Bitcoin, and invest $100 into XRP, and any other cryptos that I see value in. So with me, I'm dollar cost averaging on cryptos. Overall though, we are down on Bitcoin right now. We did have a nice reversal candle close on the daily chart, rejecting our 66 EMA, so we could potentially see shorts coming. Ethereum, once again, the chart is pretty identical to Bitcoin, and we need to understand that Bitcoin is the mothership. So whatever is really happening with Bitcoin is going to be happening for a lot of the other cryptocurrencies as well. VeChain really starting to consolidate. Overall, I am very faithful in VeChain. Back in the day, guys, I turned $300 into $10,000 on VeChain. So VeChain has a ton of potential to the upside. And it's at 1 cent right now, guys. Litecoin, we're actually doing fairly well for Litecoin. If we zoom out, we can see the all-time highs for Litecoin. We're all the way at $413. So it wouldn't be a bad idea to invest into cryptos, because if Litecoin goes back up to its all-time high, which it will at some point in time, you're going to get a 4x return on your money. That's a 400% ROI, return on investment on your money if you invest into it. XRP, I have so much faith in this crypto, and we will see XRP go back to its all-time highs of $3.31 one day. Maybe not in 2022, but 2023 or 2024 is going to be a big year. I'd definitely be stacking up on your XRP if I were you. And now we're looking at gold. We can see a clear uptrend, really starting to push up. Overall, the trend is our friend. I would just keep going with the market momentum. Whatever the market is doing, just go with it. But I want to see some type of bullish reversal candle to give me confirmation that it's actually going to continue to push up. So at this point in time, I wouldn't be doing anything with gold. What we're going to do is get on another video, or I'm going to post another video tomorrow. I'm going to update you guys on those positions that we took on GBP USD and USD CAD, and then and GBP JPY, and we're going to see how those positions did overnight. I will see you guys in 24 hours. Peace out.